హాయ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ అండ్ వనక్కం. అందరూ బాగుండారా? మీరు బాగుండాలని నేను నా మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. సో ఎనీబడి ఇస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఆన్లైన్? ప్లీజ్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ టు మీ. దేశంలో చాలా చాలా మంది జనాభా ఉంటారు. వాళ్ళలో రకరకాలుగా వ్యక్తులు ఉంటారు. సో దాంట్లో మనం ఒకరు. ఇది మనం తెలుసుకోవాలా. మనం స్పెషల్ కాదు. వీఆర్ నాట్ ఏ స్పెషల్, వీఆర్ నాట్ ఇన్ ఏ డిఫరెంట్. సో వీఆర్ ఆల్ టుగెదర్. నల్లా ఇరుక బాగున్నారా? మీరు బాగానే ఉంటారని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. ఐ హోప్ యు ఆర్ గుడ్. Anybody is there? Hello, my dear students, my dear young students. Anybody is there? Please come here. So everyone, I am telling to you. So now I am coming to the live streaming. If you have a doubt and questions, please come to the live and ask to me. So I will explain to you your concept, what you have a doubt. I will give a clarification for you. So I am informing you, my dear students, if you have a doubt, please come to the live. So after receiving this message, please inform to me when you are going to come. So I will inform to you when I will going to come. Please come to the in live and ask the questions. Please ask me questions if you have a doubt. Yes, Mister. Yes, ask ma. Yes, what is your doubt, ma? Yes, what is your doubt, ma? What is your doubt in light lesson? So, which concept in light lesson? Kings of kings, the king of the kings. So, how to tell if your concave is negative image or other about that? Concave mirror is concave negative image. Concave, it is a mirror or lens, ma. First of all, you have to know it. The king of the kings. It is a mirror or lens. Both. Actually, see here, I will explain for concave mirror, right? So, what is the shape of the concave mirror? So, inner surface is reflecting surface, outer surface is rough surface. So, it forms the image inside only, right? So, the reflecting rays, actually reflecting rays are, they meet and it will form the image. So mirror, the concave mirror, accept the position of the object between pole and focus. The remaining things it will form always, it will form the image is real and inverted. Real and inverted. So the object is, the position of the object is between pole and focus. It will form the image form the behind the mirror. So it is virtual, right? Okay, now. So virtual, any case, one principal axis is there. Principal axis. Above the principal axis, that is the minus. Below the principal axis, sorry, above the principal axis, that is the plus. Below the principal axis, that is the minus. That is the negative sign. Okay, clear? So it is quite opposite for the concave lens. It is quite opposite for the concave lens. Okay, na? Yes, Kaju, how are you, man? I think Kaju means Kajim from Nellore Navana. Yes? May I know your full name, Mr. Kaju? Yes, Kaju. Hello, Kaju. Mr. Kaju, I want your full name, ma. MD Nihal, how are you, man? I am waiting for you, but you came late. Yes, Mr. MD Nihal. Sollappa, Nihalappa. Yes, names are Kajim. So I am expecting you are Kajim, I know that. So now I think now you are 11th standard, no? Mr. Kajim, now you are 11th standard. So image of the concave lens is negative. So that is the I am telling ma Mr. King of Kings. Above the principal axis, that is the positive. Below the principal axis, that is the negative. So now we have to check it here. The concave mirror always forms the image below the principal axis. That means beside the, so it is the principal axis, it is the below the principal axis, it is the above the principal axis, it is the positive, it is the negative. If you draw the image diagram for the concave mirror, so it will form below the principal axis, so it is the negative. Above the principal axis means it is the positive. Okay, clear? Yes, Mr. Kaju, what is the group of studying, ma? Either MPC or BPC, Mr. Kaju? Hey, Kaju, bagunawa. I need your number. Okay, I will give you, ma. Take it. So this is my number. If you have a doubt, ask me. in physics, no, not chemistry and maths. Mr. Kaju, ఎలా ఉన్నావు, బాగున్నావా, తిన్నావా, ఎంతకీ కాజు, ఖానా ఖాలే? Explain the Ohm's law. MD Nihal is asking from, okay, explain the Ohm's law. Ohm's law, according to the Ohm's law, at constant temperature, the flow of charge is directly proportional to the potential difference between the two endpoints of the conductor. So it is the statement of the Ohm's law. So according to the Ohm's law, you have to keep in our mind, first statement, potential difference is directly proportional to the charge. That is, we have to keep in our mind. Sorry, current, flow of charge is nothing but current. So V is directly proportional to the I. Then we have to remove that I, so directly proportionality, V is equals to R into I. Then R equals to V by I. So here V by I equals to R, it is the resistance. Then resistance is depends on the three factors. I think I explained to you. So what is the resistance here? Police Renu, నమస్కారం అండి, బాగున్నారా? చెప్పండి పులిస్ రేణు, బాగున్నాను. చెప్పండి మీ డౌట్ ఏంది పులిస్ రేణు గారు? స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు కొంచెం ఆన్లైన్లో, వాళ్ళకి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను అబ్బా పులిస్ రేణు. ఫైన్ అబ్బా పులిస్ రేణు. Mr. Nihal, it is okay na? Now coming to the resistivity. So you need a Norton's law, right? Okay, first let me complete. One of the student is asking Ohm's law. So V equals to IR. Newton's third law, every reaction there is equal and opposite reaction is there. That's it. So if you know that every reaction there is equal and opposite reaction, Newton's law, that is the statement of the Newton's third law. And next coming to the, before going to the Newton's third law, we have to know that two things. First one is action and reaction is acting two different objects. Action and reaction is acting two different objects. Suppose the racket is moving upward direction. The racket is moving upward direction. Before the moving upward direction, the fire smoke is coming downward direction. That is the action. The fire smoke ante poga kinda vastund kada, adi action. Aa poga anedi backward direction lo action చేస్తుంది. అండ్ రాకెట్ అనేది అప్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్ లో యాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఈ రెండు, ఫస్ట్ పొగ అనేది కిందకి రావడం అనేది యాక్షన్, రాకెట్ అనేది పైకి పోవడం అనేది రియాక్షన్. సో ఈ రెండు డిఫరెంట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ మీద యాక్ట్ చేస్తాయి. ఇది న్యూటన్స్ థర్డ్ లా. ఏంది ఇప్పుడు నా మీద న్యూటన్స్ థర్డ్ లా ఏమన్నా ప్రయోగిస్తావా ఏంది సీను? నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ది MD Nihal. So I hope it is clear to you. Next coming to the what are the factors affecting the resistance. First one is length. Resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. Resistance is inversely proportional to the area of the conductor. And also one more important factor, that is the nature of the material. So first one is resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. So we have to keep in our mind one-way road. So it's not a one-way, single road. Single road, left side vehicles are moving, right side vehicles are coming. So it is full traffic. That means traffic is the resistance. Single road, one side is vehicles are moving and opposite vehicles are coming. It is full traffic. So that is the length. And the next one is double road. So it is the area is increased, resistance is decreased. I hope it is clear to you, right? So based on this one, we have to write R is proportional to the L by A, length of the conductor by area of the conductor. So we have to remove that directly proportional to the we have proportionality constant rho is coming. So rho is the resistivity or specific resistance. So it depends on the nature of the material. I hope it is clear to you, right? Yes. Mr. King of the Kings, your question is, sir, how AC generator works? Okay, AC generator, next time I will explain to you, Mr. Kings of the King, right? So today I hope some concepts only I hold in, right? Fully Srinu, sir, your explanation good. I can understand Newton's law Thanks. It was explained. Thank you, Mr. Pulisino. Sir, can you explain me about what are collisions? Explain the possible types of collisions, sir. Please, 8 mark questions, sir. Please. King of the Kings. Okay, sir. Okay, ma. King of the Kings. Okay, Mr. Pulisino, thank you for commenting me. I ask Mr. Kaju. Collisions. So, collision is nothing but it is one of the object, it is another object. Even a short period of time interval, a huge amount of energy is transferred from one body to another body. Suppose if it is collide here, the energy is transferred from one body to another body, right? So that is called a collision. So collision, we have the head-on collision. Two types of collisions are there. Head-on collision is one, and it is based on the, suppose if you draw one line, one horizontal line. So two objects are before the collision, after collision. The position of the two bodies are same on the horizontal line. That is head-on collision. So another collision is there, I forgot that. So that is the different collision. So see here, what is the collision here? The energy, conservation of the energy before the collision, after the collision is same one, right? So remaining things, at which date we have the exam, Mr. Kaju? Mr. Kaju, hey Kaju, ఎప్పుడు నీకు ఎగ్జామ్ ఉండేది? కృష్ణమూర్తి Sir, I am your last year student, ABSM, Tangai Tettu, 6th standard. Hi, Krishnamurti, how are you? I think you know Telugu, I think, Mr. Krishnamurti. Tomorrow, Mr. Kaju, tomorrow you will ask me same time, not same time, at 8 o'clock, I will explain to you in full details with collisions. Okay, na? Kaju. ఫుల్ డీటెయిల్స్గా నీకు కొలిజన్ గురించి క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. లేకుంటే 11th మీన్స్ ఫ్రైడే. ఫ్రైడే టుమారో ఇస్ దేర్. టుమారో ఈవినింగ్ యూ షుడ్ కమ్ టు ద సేమ్ ప్లేస్. ఓకే రైట్ మిస్టర్ కాజు. నెక్స్ట్ కృష్ణమూర్తి, హౌ ఆర్ యూ మ్యాన్? హౌ ఈజ్ యువర్ స్కూల్? హౌ ఈజ్ యువర్ స్టడీస్? కృష్ణమూర్తి, give a reply, Krishnamurti. So I think it is not your name. Your name, please. Sir, my name is Sanjay. Krishnamurti is my dad. Okay, right. Mr. Sanjay, how are you? Sanjay, how are you, man? Give answers, Mr. Sanjay. Sanjay. Yeah, fine. I think, do you know Telugu? So, Mr. Sanjay, please subscribe my channel, pa. Okay, already you subscribed. Thank you lot. So, what is your doubt, Mr. Sanjay? What is the no? Why you messaged no, ma? Sanjay. Why no? Nihal, are you there? Please call Mr. MD Nihal. Please call Jairam. He is there or not there? I don't know Telugu. Okay, no problem. Speak in English, Mr. Sanjay. How is your school? How is your school, Sanjay? Sanjay, how is your school? How is your studies? Yes, good. Good only, na? Who is coming for your for physics, ma? Sanjay, who is coming physics? Gokila madam, ma'am. Now, okay, na? Any doubt from the physics? I hope now you are seventh standard. Yes, yes. అన్నా పులి సీనన్నా నమస్కారం అన్నా ఏం చేస్తున్నావు అన్నా ఒకసారి రానా సీనన్నా పులి సీనన్నా ఎస్ కింగ్ ఆఫ్ కింగ్స్ ఫర్ మీ ఆల్సో ఫిజిక్స్ ఐఐటి గోకిలా మ్యామ్ ఓన్లీ ఓ ఎస్ I thought here one of the old physics madam is there. She was resigned, so they transfer ABSM to ASM. I thought yes. అన్నా పులనా పులి శ్రీనివాస్ అన్న కాజు విచ్ కాలేజ్ యువర్ స్టడింగ్ మా రే కాజిం ఏ కాలేజీలో చదువుతున్నావా కాజిం I am Balaji in NEET class. This is my father phone. Oh, Balaji. Yes, Mr. Balaji. How are you, Mr. Balaji? Yes. What is your doubt, Mr. Balaji? Thank you for coming, Mr. Balaji. What is your doubt, ma? Balaji? Mr. Balaji. Hello, Balu, Balaji. Are you remember vectors, Mr. Balaji? Balaji, King of the Kings, Mr. Sanjay. Yes, MD Nihal, explain electronic potential energy. Hey, it's not a electronic potential energy, electric potential energy. Okay, na, Mr. MD Nihal, electrical potential energy. You have to say like that. Don't say to others. If you say like that, if you say to me, okay, no problem. But don't say to others. Don't ask to others. Electronic potential energy. And kings of the kings watching standard you studying. Okay, no problem. Right. So electrical potential energy. Sir, మీకు క్వశ్చన్ ఫోటో మీ వాట్సాప్ యాప్కి సెండ్ చేశాను సార్. ఓకే, నేను తర్వాత చూసి నీకు ఆన్సర్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా కాజిం, నీకు ఖచ్చితంగా తర్వాత చూసి ఆన్సర్ చేస్తాను. అదేం క్వశ్చన్ చూసి చేస్తాను. ఒక అబ్బాయి ఆన్లైన్లో ఏదో ఒకటి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయమన్నాడు, వాడికి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి చేస్తాను అబ్బాయి కాజు. ఓకేనా బా కాజు, చాలా పెద్దోడు అయిపోయింది. నీ ఫోటో భలే ఉందా కాజు. కాజిం, బాగున్నావు అబ్బాయి? వాడు ఎట్టున్నాడు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్? వాడు వాడు నా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో ఒక వీడియో పెట్టుంది చూడు. వాడు బండోడు వాళ్ళంతా బాగున్నావా? మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అంతా బాగున్నావా? నువ్వు ఏ కాలేజ్ చదువుతున్నావా కాజు? ఏ కాలేజ్ చదువుతున్నావు కాజిం? మిస్టర్ కాజిం, విచ్ కాలేజ్ యు ఆర్ స్టడీయింగ్ మా? ఏ కాలేజ్ చదువుతున్నావండి కాజిం బాషా గారు? Now I am in Tamil Nadu, pa. Sanjay, Tamil Nadu only. Okay. So, Mr. Nihal, what is the electrical potential energy? You are asking question now. Mr. Nihal, see pa, electrical potential energy. So, actually, potential energy is possessed by the position of the object. These are the two plates. Okay. So, the potential energy stored between these two plates only. So, let us take, it is the plate 1. Initially, it is no charge, it is a uncharged plate, right? So we have to give charge for this one. So total charge of this plate we cannot give at a time, we will give one by one like this. So for example, you have to bring one of the point charge at here. Initially there is no charge here, so to giving the charge, to bringing the charge for this one, there is no work done, right? So initial charge is q. So again we have to give continuously giving charge after charger. Suppose second charge is coming here, so they already there exists a point charge here, we are giving the second charge. In this case there exists a electric field, that means electrical potential difference between the two charges. So you have to give a dq charge for this one, right? We will done some amount of work, that is dw. So dw equals to dq, right? V into dq. So V we have to write q by c, right? So that is the charge. So total, suppose if you are giving the charge after charge, so this is full charge is capital Q. So now we have to done total amount of work for this. Okay, that is W equals to integration of Q by C into dq. So integration limit is 0 to Q. So 1 by c is the constant, c is we have to keep outside, then q into dq, integration of the q is q square by 2c. So after substituting the limit, q square by 2c. So w equals to q square by 2c. It is the potential energy stored in capacitor. Okay, clear ma? Sanjay, explain the dipole moment. Thank you. Dipole moment. So it is the, before we are going to the dipole moment, we have to solve Kirchhoff Frederick Sharp Pedu Punadu. ఏందో నాకేం అర్థం కాలేదా? షక్రు ఫెడ్రిక్ షాప్ పెట్టుకున్నాడా? ఫెడ్రిక్ షాప్ అంటే ఏందిరా అర్థం కాలేదా కాజిం? ఓకే, ఫెడ్రిక్ షాప్ అంటే ఏందో చూడు. ఇంకొక అబ్బాయి ఏదో అడుగున్నాడు, డైపోల్ మూమెంట్. ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద డైపోల్ మూమెంట్. What is the, first of all we have to know that what is the dipole. Dipole is an arrangement of two equal and opposite charges are separated by a small distance. It is a point charge. Let us consider it is the point charge. It is another point charge. These two point charges, it is equal and opposite charges. Let us take, it is negative charge, it is positive charge. So these two charges are separated by a small distance. This arrangement is known as the dipole. Now dipole moment, the length of the dipole. So the separation between the 2-point charges is known as the dipole moment. So this dipole moment, the direction of the dipole moment is, it is the negative charge, it is the positive charge. So from negative charge to positive charge, that is the direction of the dipole moment. So it is a vector quantity, right? So dipole moment, we have to calculate the dipole moment. It is denoted by the P and either charge into distance between the 2 points, 2-point charges. So P equals to 2QA. Okay, na? Yes, Prashant sir. Oh, అవునా? సుక్రూఫ్ న్యూడిల్స్ షాప్ పెట్టాడా? మంచి ఓడికి తగ్గట్టే పెట్టుకున్నాడు రా. ఒకసారి అడిగినా అని చెప్పరా, పాపం మంచోడు, బాగా చదువుకోకుండా న్యూడిల్స్ షాప్ పెట్టుకోవడం ఏంది. ఓకే మిస్టర్ సంజయ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓకేనా డైపోల్ మూమెంట్? ఎస్ ప్రశాంత్, వాట్ మిస్టర్ ప్రశాంత్, టెల్ మా. ఎస్ చెప్పండి అప్ప, ప్రశాంత్ అప్ప. ఓకే సంజయ్, it is okay, clear. Sanjay, which standard you are studying ma? You are +1 na +2 na? Which school? Yes, Mr. Sanjay, which school you are studying? Please answer me. చెప్పప్ప, సొల్లప్ప సంజయ్ అప్ప, స్కూల్ నేమ్ ಏನಪ್ಪ? Yes. Oh, right. Very good. Thank you, ma. I think you are Balaji. So why you are asking dipole moment, ma? I think you are +1 only, na? What is the need of dipole moment? It is +2 portion only, no? What, Mr. Balaji? Okay, anyhow, thank you for asking doubts, and I hope the explanation is clear to you. అందరికీ ఈ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ మీకు అర్థమై ఉంటుంది. లేకుంటే మీకు అర్థం కాకుండా ఉంటే ఎవరన్నా ఏదన్నా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్, యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, anybody is studying +1 +2, please share to this video your friends. Okay, and thank you for watching this video, and also please subscribe my channel, and also please comment to this video live. Okay, thank you Mr. Sanjay. Okay, thank you Mr. Sanjay, and sorry, Sanjay not Balaji, and Kajum, thank you da. మన మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికీ చెప్పగా కాజం సార్ లైవ్ లో వచ్చి కొంచెం క్వశ్చన్స్ కి ఆన్సర్ చేస్తున్నాడు, బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ చేస్తున్నాడు అని. ప్లీజ్ వాచ్ అండ్ ప్లీజ్ షేర్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ, బై బై.